Well, you know, the key element for me for tax reform is that it hit everybody evenly across the board, and that we don't have a segment of the population that we just say, well, no, you guys don't have to pay, but you do get to say how much the other people pay. That doesn't make any sense. And other thing that doesn't make any sense is people who can afford fancy tax lawyers and accountants get away with everything. So the system that I want eliminates those two extremes. I personally like the idea of a flat tax that can be imposed at the point of sale and can be done automatically so that people don't have to file income tax returns. And it's the same for everybody across the board. I think it would probably end up being, we've been working with some economists, it's going to be somewhere between 10 and 15% across the board for all transactions. In the beginning, it would be probably closer to 15%. As we get things under control, it would come down, and eventually it probably would be less than 10%. I personally think that it would be very nice to add on to something like that a luxury tax of about 5% on things that are extremely expensive. And basically what that will do is it will allow the rich to pay off our national debt, because that money would only go to pay the national debt. And that gets rid of a lot of the grumbling that people will have about that. And once the national debt is paid off, we eliminate that one as well.
Undercurrent under the surface makes the mainstream get so nervous. It's time for purpose, for news to serve us, not with propaganda they use to hurt us.